Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we are at Thorpe Park. This is Thorpe Park. It's a bit muddy. Ooh, scary bridge! Whoa! Big turny thing. That is bigger in person. There's a lot more work on the station. It's very gold. And of course you have the massive Wimbledon. They finished the dive loop, finally, and then you've got the lifthill motor. Lifting panels in for the station. So we've seen Hyperia, we're going to go and see Nemesis, Inferno, and see if we can see Big City Boulevard. But this is insane. So another view of Nemesis Inferno, 0G roll over there, the lift hill. You can kind of see the call through, and I can see a bit of swarm coming through. And the sad truth of getting a new ride is Rocking Express. Loggers Leap. That's a blast from the past. There's Stealth from another angle. I don't even know how he missed it.
We're gonna walk back round.
How did you miss that, Bartek? Oh! Station looks cool. Got the switch tracks there. Golden panels. And there we have the lift hill motor. Oh my gosh. Here it is.
Guys, so they're lifting the first piece of lift hill round. And there we go. Wait.
Is it oh, they're turning it round.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh.
There.
There we have it. Lift hill track has been put in place. That's pretty cool. This is the Jack Silkstone spot, and this is the view you get from it. That is insane. Wow. Crazy. So we've gone onto a different path. I don't know what it is, but we're trying to see the entrance, and it's quite cool. Yeah. Yeah, we need to see if they've changed this sign. So that pretty much concludes our walk down Monk's Walk. You can see the amazing view behind us. I really hope you enjoyed this video. You can subscribe up there. There is another video down there. Really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time.